Hi, welcome back to part 4 of the unboxing review of Hasbro, Takara Tomy, Transformers, War for Cybertron Trilogy, Siege, Stormcloud, and Vesper. Where we last left off was on Vesper here. So let's see if we can get the camera to focus a little better. There we go. So, yeah, they were kind of like just fold his wings, as we already did. Push down his little toes. Next, they're just saying, turn him over and take the cockpit, as you can kind of see, kind of make the cockpit go flat like that. And the little feet will actually tab in here into the cockpit. Don't know how good you can see on camera, but these little like wing bits will actually tab into the little nose of the cone of the plane. So now those will tab in. Underneath here, right there, as you can see it, there's a little tab there. That tab would be kind of like on his little forearm.